Hello, my name is Caleb. I'm with Lions Park Computers, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a virtual machine from VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free for personal use program which is made by Oracle, and you can download it from virtualbox.org. So I've made this virtual machine and I want to get rid of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click on it and click on remove. Now, in this version of VirtualBox that I have right now, I can't delete all files. I can only remove the VM. As you can see here, it'll say that it's coming in the next version. So I'm just going to click OK on this. My machine has gone off my system, but my virtual disk is still in it. So what I'm going to need to do is go to my user folder, and I'm going to click on VirtualBox VMs. And here we have the Java folder, which was the name of my computer. As you can see, I still have the virtual hard disk. Now, mine was a expanding hard disk, and so it's actually quite small. But if you had a static-sized hard disk, then it would eat up a lot of space on your hard drive, and it would just sit there dormant. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to right-click here and click on Delete, and click Yes, and I'm done with that. Now, what I've just done there, though, you need to understand is I've gotten rid of my virtual machine information. Anything that was on that disk is now gone. There's no backup. So if you don't want to delete the data, you just want to delete the machine, then don't do the second step that I did where I went into my user profile and got rid of it. You want to just delete the machine. So I hope that helped you. If it was helpful, or if you have any questions, please feel free to like and subscribe and comment on the video. Also feel free to share it. If you'd like more information about Lions Park Computers, you can click on our link, which will be in the description, or you can go to www.lions.com. Thanks for watching.